Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I got my January Petit Vour box, so I thought I would unbox it in front of you guys. If you're not familiar with Petit Vour, it's one of my favorite subscription boxes. I've been subscribed to them for I think a little bit over 2 years. They focus on cruelty-free and vegan beauty products, skincare, and makeup. And they're also an online boutique that sell eco-fashion. But the boxes are $18 a month if you pay monthly, and then if you pay yearly, it goes down to $15 a month. I think it's always a good value, and I've discovered some of my favorite brands through this box. How I usually like to do this is give you a little review of everything that came in last month's box, so that's December, and tell you guys how I liked those products. So the first thing that came in the December box is the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish. This has sugar, coffee, moringa oil, and an essential oil blend. I haven't used this very much at all. I just took a little scoop out. It smells like teriyaki to me. The mixture of the oils and whatever essential oils they have in here with the coffee ground, it smells like teriyaki to me. It's not off-putting or anything, but it's just kind of interesting. Doing a sugar scrub is not really my favorite thing anymore. I usually just dry brush before I hop in the shower or bath. And then this with the coffee grounds just tends to be a little messy. So there's that. And then we also got the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Body Lotion. And before getting this, I actually have a full size of it. I picked this up from Marshalls for $3.99. One of those brands that Marshalls or even TJ Maxx carry sometimes. I picked this up sometime in the summer, and it's a really nice body lotion. This was lightweight enough and nice to use in the summer. It's not super greasy, but it's also very hydrating in the winter. And then the next product from the December box was the Goldfaden MD Brightening Elixir. It's a little serum. I feel like they've sent us a lot of Goldfaden MD products, and I've really liked all of them, and this was no exception. This was nicely hydrating, very liquidy consistency, so it absorbs right into the skin and just gives you that layer of hydration that I love from my serums. The only thing though is Goldfaden MD does have phenoxyethanol in it, and I always try to mention that whenever I talk about Goldfaden MD. Even though I like the brand, I don't think I would purchase a full size of this serum because it has that phenoxyethanol. It's not something that I want to be putting on my skin every single day. And then the last product is by Han or Han. It's their all natural concealer, and I got it in the shade medium. I'm gonna swatch it in the back of my hand since I didn't do an unboxing of the December box last month. But I really like this. It's got really nourishing ingredients in the concealer. I am getting ready to do a comparison video between this and the Cloven Hollow concealer, so keep a lookout for that. So that's everything that came in the December Petit Vour box. So now let's get into the January box. And I'm so glad that they went to the prints. I have been missing this. I definitely prefer the prints over the photographs. The first two things that came in the box are 2 wipes from Box Naturals. One is a lavender wipe, and one is cucumber and witch hazel. And it says in the card that it's $1.50 each. They are individually wrapped, pH balanced, and 100% biodegradable. The wipes are biodegradable. I don't think the wrappers are. These wipes are great to remove makeup and refresh on the go. I like to keep these types of wipes in the car in case the kids spill something, then it's easy to clean up with. So I'm sure that's where those will go. And then the second product in the box is the Pacifica Natural Minerals Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. This is what the box looks like. And I actually have one of these open. This is my older one that I've had. So I'm not going to open this one just yet and save it for later. I'm actually trying to finish this. And the wand looks like this. Nice natural bristle brush. I have a mascara face-up video that I'm going to link down below so you can kind of see this in action. I'm actually wearing this right now layered with the Hint Beauty mascara. And the card says that it is a $14 value, and it says it's like skincare for lashes. This mineral mascara fortifies and lengthens your natural lashes while adding out-of-this-world volume. But like I said, I will link that mascara video down below so you can see my thoughts. And then the next product that I have here is by Le Prunier Plum Beauty Oil. That's what the box looks like. I'm gonna get it out of the box so I can show you. Oh, it's a cute little bottle. Oh my goodness, look at that. What it looks like. So let's see what it has to say. This is a $20 value, and it says it's 8 times more powerful than argan oil. This pure plum seed oil balances, restores, and refreshes skin and hair, protecting it from free radicals and UV damage. 8 times more powerful than argan oil, my goodness. And it smells just like plums. I don't think I've ever had plum oil before, so I'm excited to give this a try. And then the last product, this one I've seen a lot around the interwebs in the green beauty community, but I have not had a chance to try. This is the Kaya Naturals The Underarm Bar. So it's like a soap on a rope. So let me take off the box packaging here so I can show you. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. The kind of smells very minty. It has peppermint and camphor and eucalyptus in here, so that's what I smell. It's just very minty. Very refreshing. It says to moisten the bar, create a paste, and apply to odorous areas in circular motion. Leave on for 30 seconds before rinsing. Use daily with the Takasumi Detox deodorant for maximum results. I have tried their deodorant before, and I actually got it in the Petit Vour box, just a little sample of it. I think the scent was Juicy Bamboo, and I really liked it, but towards the end of the deodorant it stopped working on me. So I was about to get the full size of it because I loved it so much. It smelled so good, but it stopped working. So excited to give this a try and see how it works for me. And the card says that it is a $22 value. This is a full size, and the mascara is also a full size. It says, transform any natural deodorant into extra strength protection. This bar creates a protective barrier against odor-causing bacteria. So excited to give that a try. I'm sure my husband will get a use out of it also. So that is going to be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this month's box. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!